welcome to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're revealing an African secret recipe that lets you stay energized in bed for 2 solid hours without feeling tired or losing your erection. This drink is your secret weapon to stay alert, boost your confidence, and leave your wife amazed. So turn on the subtitles, watch carefully, and get ready to unlock the power of traditional African ingredients. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can learn how to stay young, strong, and healthy using traditional African knowledge. Also, this video is not sponsored. So guys, if you want real results, pay close attention because this video will change your life forever. Recipe No. 1. Ginger and Honey Power Brew. This invigorating drink harnesses the spicy essence of ginger and the golden touch of honey to fuel your vitality and stamina. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your bedroom adventure. For this recipe, we'll need ginger. Ginger is well known for its aphrodisiac properties. It's a natural powerhouse that enhances libido and overall vitality. Preparation: peeling the ginger. This unlocks its best benefits. To peel the ginger root, use a spoon to scrape away the brown skin. Be sure to remove any bruised parts. The fresher the ginger, the easier it will be to peel. If you have old ginger, let me know in the comments section. Chopping the ginger, finely slicing it enhances the aroma. Now we're going to chop the ginger into small pieces. Make sure it is nice and finely sliced so that you can get all the flavors and nutrients out of it. Add to a bowl. This will serve as the base of our energy boosting brew. Grab a bowl and place the chopped ginger inside. It should look something like this. Grate lemon peel extracts essential oils that boost metabolism and energize the body. Take your grater and start grating the lemon peel. Avoid the white part of the peel because it can make the drink bitter. After grating the entire lemon peel, you should have this lemon juice, packed with vitamin C for immune support and a refreshing kick. Using a glass or ceramic container, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the bowl containing the grated ginger and lemon peel. Honey, a natural antiseptic that boosts immunity and adds a sweet, light taste. Now, it's time to add honey to the mix. Remember, a little goes a long way. 2 tablespoons should do the trick. Mix well. Let all the ingredients blend together. Give everything a good stir so all the ingredients mingle and their powers combine. Brewing process: boiled 350 ml water. This creates the perfect base for our drink. In a saucepan, bring 350 megaliters of water to a boil. Once it reaches a rolling boil, turn off the heat and pour the water into the bowl with the ginger mixture. Add 100 grams raisins. Sweetens naturally while adding essential vitamins and minerals. To the warm water, add raisins. This will not only add natural sweetness, but also important vitamins and minerals. Strain the boiled water. This becomes our powerful infusion. Now use a strainer to separate the liquid from the solid ingredient. This strained liquid holds all the magic we're looking for. Combine everything. Mix the ginger, lemon, and honey into the strained liquid. Pour the strained water back into the pan and gently mix in the remaining grated ginger, lemon peel, and honey. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and it's ready. This energy boosting brew will keep you active and impress your wife tonight. And before we move on to the next recipe, remember to give this video a thumbs up for more amazing content. Recipe No. 2. Ginger, walnut and coffee libido booster. This potent concoction combines the earthy warmth of ginger with the robust power of walnuts and coffee to ignite your passion and keep you going strong. It's like a turbo boost for your bedroom adventures. For this recipe, we'll need ginger again. Cut off 1.5 ounces and grate it finely. When ginger is grated, its aroma is released, making its beneficial compounds more accessible to the body. Ginger iced tea, just a flavorful spice it is. A powerful aphrodisiac that enhances circulation and boosts libido. Preparation: extract ginger juice. Use a fine mesh strainer to squeeze out the juice. This step will concentrate the ginger's libido-boosting properties. Crush 3 to 4 walnuts. Walnuts support heart health and increase testosterone levels. Now crush the walnuts to release their healthy fats and essential nutrients. You can use a mortar and pestle or simply crush them with your hands. Add 1 tsp dried chili pepper, a natural metabolism booster. A pinch of chili powder adds a spicy kick and can help boost your metabolism. Include 1 TSP coffee, increases testosterone, improves circulation, and sharpens focus. Add 1 teaspoon of ground coffee to the mix. This will not only give you a caffeine boost, but also provide a whole host of health benefits. Mix into TBSP honey, a natural antioxidant that enhances flavor and nutrition. Now add 2 tablespoons of honey to the crushed walnuts and coffee. The honey will not only add a delicious touch, but also provide its own set of antioxidants and health benefits. Stir everything thoroughly so that the nutrients blend perfectly. Now give the mixture a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. Cover the mixture with plastic wrap and let it steep for 15 minutes. Allowing the mixture to steep will give the ingredients time to infuse into the water. Final steps: pour into a mug. This is the final stage of the preparation. Take a mug and pour the walnut ginger coffee into it. Add 400 ml boiling water. This will infuse all the beneficial compounds. Now pour 400 megaliters of boiling water over the mixture and stir it gently. Cover and steep for 20 minutes. This creates a strong and energizing drink. Allow the mixture to steep for 20 minutes. This steeping time ensures that the beneficial compounds from the ingredients have fully infused into the water. And it's ready. This libido boosting drink will keep you energized and performing at your best. Now, before we reveal our last recipe, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of our amazing videos. Recipe No. 3. Detox and Energy Booster with figs and prunes. This drink is your ultimate energy and detox companion. It combines the natural sweetness of figs and prunes with the power of milk to revitalize your body and boost your energy levels. This drink will detox your body, enhance digestion, and keep you energized all day long. Ingredients: 1 banana, a potassium-rich fruit that supports heart health and muscle function. A banana provides a natural energy boost and is rich in essential nutrients. Slice it up and add to the blender. Peel the banana and slice it into chunks. Then add the slices to your blender. Did you know bananas contain serotonin, which naturally boosts your mood? 2 figs, full of fiber and antioxidants that improve digestion and strengthen the immune system. Figs offer a unique flavor and a host of health benefits. Chop the figs and add them to the blender. Add the chopped figs to the blender. For prunes, great for heart health, digestion, and cholesterol balance. Prunes are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients. Chop and add to the blender. Chop the prunes into small pieces and add them to the blender. 200 milliliters milk. Low-fat milk is perfect for post-workout recovery and calcium intake. Milk provides a creamy texture and a good source of protein and calcium. 1 TBSP honey adds a delicious touch while providing antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey adds a natural sweetness and a touch of magic to the drink. Final step: blend everything together until smooth. Now blend all the ingredients together until you get a smooth and creamy consistency. And that's it. A powerful antioxidant-packed energy drink that will boost your energy and support your immune system. Before we part ways, do you want to forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our incredible videos? Stay blessed.